Let's explore arrow functions in PHP. Arrow functions provide a short syntax for simple anonymous functions. They were introduced in PHP version 7.4, and they offer a concise syntax which is especially useful for simple callbacks. The basic syntax of an arrow function is as follows: the keyword fn, followed by parentheses enclosing the parameter or parameters, then the equals and greater than sign, which is similar to an arrow, and then the expression. Thus it is represented as fn, open parenthesis, $parameter, close parenthesis, then the arrow, and then the dollar expression. This consists of the fn keyword, the parameters, the arrow, and a single expression. Here is a simple example of using an arrow function. First, the numbers are assigned to a variable called numbers. Numbers is an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then the array map function is used with the arrow function to square each number. The arrow function takes each number represented by $x and returns $x multiplied by $x. So the output array is an array of 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. One of the key features of arrow functions is automatic variable capture. Here's an example. First, the variable multiplier is assigned a value of 10. Then the variable numbers is assigned an array containing the values 1, 2, and 3. After that, the array map function is used with an arrow function. The arrow function multiplies each element x of the numbers array by the multiplier. In arrow functions, external variables are captured automatically, so there is no need for a use clause. Let's compare arrow functions with anonymous functions. On the left, we have an anonymous function, which is defined using the function keyword, taking an argument $x, and using the use keyword to import the variable $y from the outer scope. The function then returns $x plus $y. On the right, we have an arrow function that achieves the same result more concisely. It's defined using the fn keyword, taking an argument $x, and implicitly capturing $y from the outer scope. It then simply returns $x plus $y. Here are some key points to remember about arrow functions. First, they offer a concise syntax, making them perfect for simple one-line functions. Second, they are designed for a single expression, meaning they can only contain one expression and not multiple statements. Third, they automatically capture variables from the surrounding scope by value. Finally, they are ideally suited for callbacks and array functions, where short, simple functions are needed. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.